What's up, guys? I have a good news for all PUBG Mobile lovers in India. So let's see what it is. So PUBG Corporation has finally responded to its Indian ban. So here you can see the official statement they made. After reading the statement, one thing is clear. So we are going to see PUBG Mobile making its comeback. So huge thumbs up for that. But the one thing which we aren't sure is whether we are going to see the same global version which we were used to play or the new Indian variant of it. So for that we have to wait and see, guys. So if you are into this video, you're not here to listen to this bullshit, right? So without wasting any further time, let's see how you can update or install PUBG Mobile in any iOS devices. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you have to create a new Apple ID and set the region to any other country. If you want to install the Korean version, you need to set the region to be Korea, or if you want the global version, you can set it to US. Make sure you give your own email ID and phone number, and also it shouldn't be registered to your previous Apple account. After you created the account, you have to sign in through that account to your device. So sign out from the earlier account you have signed into and sign in through the new account which you just made. So after signing, you just go to the App Store and do not directly search PUBG Mobile, it won't come. You have to log into the App Store. So log into it. So now as you can see, it has some more information regarding your address. So in street and city you can fill whatever you want. So as I'm filling Clown Gaming subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe it so that you don't miss out on our videos. So after that, in state and zip code, I am going to fill California, and you have to fill in the correct zip code of that state. So for California, I am filling 93504. It works. And for phone, you can fill whatever digits you want, it doesn't matter. So now search PUBG Mobile, and as you can see, it should be shown, and just install it from here. As you can see, guys, I successfully installed it. Now let's open it. I am going to sign into my account, and some of the users are saying that if they sign into the new account, they are getting banned for 10 years. Let's see what happens to mine. So it successfully runs, so no problem for me, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. So now you can sign out from this Apple ID and you can sign in through your original one. And if you have any problems installing this, just comment down below. I'll be trying to reply it soon.